is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I thought I'd bring you guys along for kind of like a vlog style after work routine, nighttime routine video. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this, but I thought I'd bring you guys along for more of an in-depth look at my evenings after work. Obviously you guys see little snippets in my weekly vlogs, but yeah, I've never really gone into great detail. This could potentially be the most boring thing ever. Here's hoping it's not. But yeah, hopefully this is somewhat interesting, somewhat relatable for those of you that are also working a regular, I hate using that word because what's regular these days, but working a normal, whatever normal is, 9 to 5, 8 till 4 job. It's pretty mundane, let's be honest. And you know what, to be completely transparent, there are some evenings where I log off, come home, eat dinner, and I'm done for the day. Like, just have no energy, no motivation to do anything, and that's okay too, you know? We're all just out here trying to do our best. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ella and I'm 25 years old. I live and work in Adelaide, South Australia. I work as an accounts receivable officer, so I do a lot of vlogs, lifestyle content, as well as budgeting and personal finance videos. So if any of that tickles your fancy, feel free to subscribe and follow me over on my Instagram as well, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of content. Sorry, I'm just like throwing you around. I have you balanced precariously on like 3 books. It's an issue. I need to figure out some kind of better setup here. But yeah, the workday is not over quite yet. It's just gone past 3 and I'm about to log back on to work. You guys know I work 7:30 till 4 every day, but I left work a little bit earlier to do the bank run before the bank closed, and also go to the post office, dropped off a letter. So that is all done, and now I have a bunch of these invoices to manually input, so I'm going to do that. I like to do this when I'm working remote because I need full concentration, and I have 3 months worth to get through, so I'm going to do that. It's only one customer, but 3 months worth, so that is my plan for the rest of the day. I will check in with you guys when I'm done. It is almost 20 to 5 and I've just logged off work for the day, and this is truly where my after work routine begins. As I said, my motivation does waver. There are some nights where I feel like the night is wasted, like I've just spent all day working, the day's basically over, but it's truly not. Like if I finish work at 4 and I'm home by like 20 past, half past, I still have like 6 hours before I go to sleep. Like the day's only just getting started. So since it's such a beautiful day outside, I think I'm gonna go take myself for a walk, get changed out of these work clothes. I intentionally didn't get changed out of my work attire until I was done with my work day because I knew that I wouldn't be productive. So I'm gonna get changed into my comfy clothes, take myself out on a walk. It's also starting to stay lighter in the evenings now, which is so good. I'm so excited for summer and daylight savings. Oh, more daylight. I actually cannot wait. You guys know one of my many goals this month is to go for a walk every day, and we haven't been yet today. So I'm gonna take myself out on a nice walk, refresh, recharge, create a bit of separation between the workday finishing and my time starting. Yeah, just shake off some of those feelings from work, and then I'm gonna come home and start cooking dinner. Okay, I'm now gonna start cooking dinner. Just gonna choose my HelloFresh recipe. We made this one last night. It was so good. I think I want to make these, the quick sweet soy caramelized pork tacos, but honestly all of them look good. You guys know me, I love a cheeky flatbread pizza. Hello, Mrs. Why are you so tippy-tappy? You want HelloFresh? It's a recipe card, doll. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make these. It's one of their quick recipes, so it has only 4 steps, which we love.
The lovely Ella with HelloFresh is going to cook quick sweet soy caramelized pork tacos.
Tacos, Susie. Not tacos. Tacos.
I'm
Tacos.
English.
Yeah, I'm English too, and they're tacos.
Tacos. Okay, but you can't say that very quickly, and certainly not after a wine.
Quick
sweet soy caramelized pork.
Quick sweet
Tacos?
soy caramelized pork tacos.
It looks delicious.
It looks good. Yes, HelloFresh are actually the sponsor of this vlog, so a big thank you to them. I'm so excited to be working with them again. We've been using them for the last few months now, and I can honestly say, hand on heart, we have loved every single recipe. They're so tasty and so convenient. HelloFresh just takes all the hard work out of everything, like deciding what to cook for dinner every night. Not for me. That's probably the biggest battle with adulthood, is deciding what to cook. They take all the guesswork out for you, and everything is just hand delivered to your door. It's delicious, it's efficient. This is quick and easy cooking, especially their quick recipes. Everything is done in less than 25 minutes, just 4 simple steps, minimal utensils. We love, especially after a long work day. They also have the flexitarian and plant-based option as well, which is perfect for anyone that's vegetarian, or if you're just trying to incorporate more veggies into your diet. Yeah, cannot rave about HelloFresh enough. We love HelloFresh in this household. I also do have a cheeky little code for you guys to use, which is just smileycitrus YT. If you use that code, you can get $140 off across your first 4 boxes. I'll have my link down below if you want to check them out. If you haven't already, you seriously need to. They're the best. Oh, someone's excited. Pro tip for anyone that does HelloFresh: keep the brown bag for all your scraps. Okay. Cheeky monkey. Another pro tip is to make your husband cut the onions so you don't cry and get your...
I didn't cry today.
I'm so proud of you.
Remember when we first moved out, I used to have to put sunglasses on?
Goggles, yeah. Rest for the wicked. I have all this laundry it's all folded. I just need to put it away, which might actually be my least favorite thing. I don't mind doing the washing, I don't mind folding the washing, I just hate physically putting it away, but it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. I actually saw, who was it? I think Rachel. I'm sure you all know Rachel. It's Rachel Catherine 998. Oh my god, my wardrobe. Why does it look so messy? She was putting all of her laundry away, or like folding her laundry and talking and like catching up on life. So I'm gonna take some inspiration. Let's chat, you guys. How are we all? Good? That's good. Somehow it's almost 8 already. I feel like I've done nothing with my evening. After I'm done putting my laundry away, I have a video that I need to edit or finish editing. This is kind of like a typical weeknight, to be honest. Lots of editing usually. Whether it's the weekly vlog, I like to edit as I go, so I have like a ton of footage to edit on Monday nights. This video is actually a sponsor video, so I need to finish editing it so I can send it through to a brand for approval, so I can have permission to post it. But yeah, usually after dinner my nights consist of editing, watching YouTube, or reading, really. Okay, it's definitely not the most organized thing, but this is just real life. I don't really have the motivation to make it look neat and tidy. Like, nothing's screwed up. It's just, it's not aesthetic. And that's okay. You know what? This is a temporary situation. I'm not going to have this wardrobe for much longer. So we'll make do. It's now come to my favorite time of the night, which is when I get to put on my neon light. Oh, and then turn this one off. The ambiance, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna sit down and start editing my video. Put on my big Large and in Charge DJ headphones. DJ Smiley in the house. Oh, also, look what we got in the mail yesterday, you guys. When I tell you, I nearly shed a tear. This is from our wedding photographer and videographer. We got this beautiful little keepsake box, which is so nice. I feel like these days, just with technology, everything is so not there. Like, you don't have anything physical, nothing tangible. So to have this, it's just so nice. So we've got a little USB with everything on it, and then they also printed off some of our wedding photos, which is just so sweet. We actually haven't had any printed off yet, which is kind of bad, but we're gonna wait until we move into our house and then get some blown up, maybe a few canvas photos. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but so sweet. Oh, I love how they turned out. Can't believe it's already been like 5 months. The boys, so handsome. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that. Very sweet. And just a nice little keepsake. I'm actually going to take off my makeup before I edit because I've had this on for upwards of 12 hours. Oh my gosh, guys, bit tipsy, love. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm taking my makeup off because I've had it on for like 14 plus hours. And I'm also trying to keep my white headphones looking pristine. A little peek into my skincare routine, even though my skin is pretty terrible right now. So maybe you don't want to hear anything from me. I don't know what it is. I think I haven't been drinking enough water. I know I haven't been drinking enough water, so that's definitely not helping. I think a bit of stress, a bit of the change in seasons. Usually it's not too bad. I have quite sensitive skin, so I really like the simple kind to skin cleansing facial wipes. These ones also remove waterproof mascara, which we love. I usually get the biodegradable ones, but these are just what I have right now. I know facial wipes as a whole just aren't the best for the environment. And I've tried a few different alternatives, like different micellar waters and reusable makeup pads, but none of it removes my makeup, and the micellar waters break me out. So I don't know. If you have any other good, more environmentally friendly makeup remover options for sensitive skin, please let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my makeup off, finish editing this video, take a shower, and that's gonna be my evening, pretty much. Wash my hair, blow dried out, exfoliated as well, so I'm feeling nice and fresh. I'm going to put some of my moisturizer on. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I showed this in my September reset video. It was one of my August faves. It's really good if you have a dry but sensitive skin. I think I'm going to end off this vlog here. I still have a bunch more editing to do, but nothing really to vlog. I'm going to try and stay up for as long as I physically can to get this video done, and then probably wake up at like 5:30 tomorrow, just so I can finish editing. Definitely do not encourage this kind of behavior. This is not sustainable, not a sustainable lifestyle, but this is just what's got to be done sometimes. Not every day is like this. I just have a lot of deadlines because I'm working with some amazing brands. Like, I really cannot complain, but just trying to balance it with full-time work as well can sometimes get a little tricky. So some weeks are just like this, and yeah, that's life. I am gonna end off this vlog here, but thank you so much for joining me on a little evening, afternoon in my life. Again, thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this vlog. I'll have my link down below along with my code, which is just smileycitrus.yt. If you use that code, you can get $140 off across your first 4 boxes, and that code is valid for anyone in Australia or New Zealand. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the hay.